Good morning. We're going to see if chickens will eat crazy bread. Hi guys, good morning. You all want some crazy bread for crazy chickens? How's it going? Good morning, new guy. That's Casper. That's right, walk on the box. All right, who wants to try some crazy bread? It is not hot or fresh. All right, Miss Nuggets. Since you're at the top of the pecking order, you get it first. Well, don't all jump on it at once. Really, guys? It's crazy bread. I can smell the garlic and butter from here. All right, so doesn't seem like chickens are all that good in there. Hate chicken wire. All right, there's that one. Really? All right, coffee's going in. The speckled white and black dude is coffee. Go in, coffee. You know you want to. Really? Guys, everybody loves crazy bread. Everybody. Can't get the crazy bread through the fence. There it is. Oh, they're going in. Maybe not. Really? Alright. Screw you guys. I don't care if you don't like crazy bread. It's good. You'll love it. Well, there you have it. Chickens are not crazy about crazy bread. Way to go, guys. You let down your fans today. They're really pulling for you. Ah.